Hello again and welcome to this training video. The next item on the list is to create an anchor and link to it. So it says create an anchor at the top of the page called top. So I go all the way to the top of the page. That anchor could be before or after the first one. Doesn't really matter but the top of but the top of the page is actually there, and I'm going to call it top. What is an anchor? An anchor is actually a bookmark. Select the word, which is top, go to insert, bookmark, click OK. You just created an anchor. We'll see what the anchor means in a second and how to link to it. Now create a hyperlink so that the menu item home links to the anchor top. So if I scroll down, all the way down, I actually have home. I select home, right click, hyperlink, and then I'm going to say place in this document. What's that here? And in place in this document, I have something called top, which I just created. Click OK. Well, now this is so nice. When you click on home, it will actually take you to the top of the page. This is what the anchor is. I think there's a total of about 3 marks there. 2 marks for it links to anchor, and 1 mark for actually creating it. Okay? We're going to save this page as they said. Now they need two printouts here. One printout is as it is viewed in the browser, and I do recommend you go there, preview in Windows Internet Explorer 9. Click on that. They want a printout of this. Just file print as is. That's one. Second one is they want a printout of this. There has been many different versions of printing this out. You have got to remember, your name must be at the top of everything you print. Now your name is not obvious in here. It is not obvious at all. So I would say you can copy this, put it in Word, or print screen this, and I don't mind doing that. 2 print screens right after each other. I do 1 print screen of this. I go to, I'm still on because of my evidence file, I have everything set, and the header and footer are there. Double click there, do this, and then just crop a bit. So, oops, it's actually obvious, and I'm gonna go there, and I will make this a little bigger so the examiner can actually read it. It's not so small, and he can read it. And the next one will be this next bit from the TR all the way down, and this will be there. And again, this is, we covered this before, we'll take it from there. Okay, and again I make this a little bit bigger. The code is there. It's a continuation, this, and then I continue here. Okay, this is the code. You might actually go file, I believe print. You can do page setup and put your name, which is already there. See, my name is already there. Okay, and I click OK. So when I go now from within, this is another way of printing. From within, if I go print preview, I will actually find my name there. It's at the top of all of whatever data is there. Got it? And of course, there's more than 1 page, and my name is there. So you can actually do it from within. And if you, I'll do that again. Print page setup. You put your data in there. I don't know what I put the time. I can't remember why I did this. Okay, you put on your computer. You can actually change this, and then it just happens. So maybe this is probably the best way of printing, by printing from within SharePoint Designer, and then you don't have to worry. The page numbers and the names and everything is there. All right. I think this concludes the current section of printing up to the sample. So this sample is done. We have to print it. Something else is going to come up soon, talking about some other features of web authoring. So I will come back in a bit.